Hello everyone, this is Providence and Haley at ArchiCAD and Building Concepts. In our today's tutorial, we will be discussing on how to create a grid line in ArchiCAD using different colors. As you can see, this is my grid line, wall grid line or log detail. ArchiCAD has its own wall details, so you can use that. Click on this wall, then click on the wall. Then under your model, you go to your log details, then click on this. You can actually I prefer using this first one. Then I maintain this 600 spacing. Then click on OK. So you have done this. This is ArchiCAD log detail. There are two differences. This is customized. This is automatic from ArchiCAD. So someone actually saw my drawing and asked me how I was able to generate this kind of wall grid line in ArchiCAD. He have not seen it before. I said yes, it is customizable. So in our today's class, we are teaching on how to do that. So we have to delete this, or rather go back, remove the wall detail, go back to wall details, then uncheck this and OK it. Okay, for you to proceed to get your wall detail to be like this exactly, what you have to do, you have to click on the wall. Spacing matters a lot. Then go to your wall. Actually make this 2007 for it to lapse. You see what I'm doing here. Then you make this 300. This doesn't matter, you can use any measurement, but this is the main point. This is your spacing. You get? Okay, click on OK. Okay, yeah, this is it, right? Then you zoom your work, it is still highlighted. You click on this black edge, then use your drag tool. Bring it down to the last one, duplicate. You see this plus sign, you click on it. So you have two walls now, right? And it is still highlighted. Then you go back to your wall, double click, then under your model, click on, then change your color. It is changed, that is why change. If it's not unchanged, you change it from here. Then click on OK. Right? This is it. So what you have to do now, you still go back to wall. It is still highlighted, right? You go back to wall. Then I change the spacing, that is the height. Then the first one was 300, then change this to 30. Good, have you seen it? Then you zoom your work, click at black edge, place it. ArchiCAD grid line has a kind of projection inside. You can actually project this inside if you wish, right? Okay, let's just try and project it inside. Let's make it real. I didn't project anything inside. Why is that mine? But it's also workable. You can do that. You click on this. You can use different style, any method. Yeah, this is drag and start 20, right? And I've done that. Then you come to this place and start 20 in. As you can see, you do the same here. And start 20 in. This didn't work. Okay, can just slap it. So after you must have done that, the next thing you have to do, you have to highlight all your walls. Hold your shift button to highlight, hold it, click on this, click on this, click on this, click on this, then click on this, then press make it straight, then zoom your work. Then this is where you start the work. Drag, always use your duplicate key. this plus sign will show that it is on. Place, drag, place. Work with your duplicate. If you drag, you duplicate, you place. You drag, you duplicate, you place. If you didn't duplicate, the previous wall will disappear. So this is the main reason of duplicating. As you can see, this is what I'm doing. We are getting it right. This is how to customize your detailed log wall or grid line in ArchiCAD. There are different ways. That was the one I did last week. I used Morph to customize mine, so I actually felt to use wall instead. So we are done. Then if you check this our design, you will see that our wall is higher than our DPC. So there is no error there. You only have to delete this. So that is why you have to calculate well. You know the total height of your wall and the total height of your spacing to know what you are doing for it to rhyme. Okay, this is how to add log details in ArchiCAD. You know, this is the one I did now. It has kind of projection inside. This is a projection. I didn't project those white wall inside. So thank you for watching my video. In our next class, if you have any question to ask or anything you want to learn, drop it in my comment section so that we will treat on that. Thank you.